You asked, how to divide 6,743 by 4 using the long division method. 6 divided by 4 equals 1. 1 times 4 equals 4. 6 minus 4 equals 2. Bring down 7, making 27. 27 divided by 4 equals 6. 6 times 4 equals 24. 27 minus 24 equals 3. Bring down 4, making 34. 34 divided by 4 equals 8. 8 times 4 equals 32. 34 minus 32 equals 2. Bring down 3, making 23. 23 divided by 4 equals 5. 5 times 4 equals 20. 23 minus 20 equals 3. The remainder is 3. The final result is 1,685 remainder 3.